Is your business success a long shot? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, visiting my aunt and uncle in Indiana, and my uncle and several other partners are in the process of creating their own distillery and their own blend called Traveler's Point, which is awesome. So I brought a shot glass so we could talk about the idiom, the expression, long shot. Long shot is one of those idioms that's been around since the 1700s. It first came about when people were talking about it with respect to firearms, actually. Firearms, when they were first designed, weren't very accurate, and especially at long distances. So there was a long shot whether they were going to hit a target or not. Long shot later on in the 1800s, the mid-1800s, came to be known as and applied to the horse racing industry and the horse racing. And with respect to horse racing, a horse that had very little or zero chance of winning was considered a long shot. I looked up and it was really interesting. There's 3 different ways of using the expression long shot. Now, in addition to long shots of great bourbon, one is a venture involving great risk but promising a great reward, kind of like starting a distillery. 2, an entry as in a horse race or other competition that you usually place a bet on that has a very small chance of winning. There's great risk and a small chance of winning the race and reward. But if you do win, if you place a bet and you win, then you win a lot. You are in a position to win a lot. And finally, a bet in which the chances of winning are slight, but again, the reward is very good. I think of, used to be a dog track by my house when we were growing up, and every once in a while we would take the kids to see the dog races. Mostly we ate the French fries because they were delicious, but the kids would like to watch the dogs run around, and once in a while we'd place a bet for them. And it was always whatever name or whatever reason the kids liked for placing a bet, and it was always inevitably a long shot, and every once in a while we'd win, and they'd win big because they guessed the right dog was going to win. They didn't know anything about, we didn't know anything about dog racing or horse racing for that matter. So what is your chance of success? Your chance of success in your business, in your life, in any endeavor, in anything that you're doing? Is it a long shot, or are you taking the steps and doing the things to ensure that you're going to be successful? The more that we eliminate risk or reduce risk or educate ourselves or get involved and work hard, the less of a long shot the things that we're working toward actually is. So that's our idiom, that's our expression today. Share in the comments below your experience with long shot, and I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it in your business and in your life right now? Have an awesome day. Bye.